In this video, I'll be explaining and demonstrating how I managed to arrive at the surface area formula for the triangular prism. So what I did first was to draw the net of a triangular prism, and the net of triangular prism results into us having two equal triangles and three equal rectangles. So as I've demonstrated here, this is the edge, this is the base, and remember, first I have to find out the area or the formula for the triangle. So the area for the triangle is half base times height, and then the area of a rectangle is a b height or width. So because we have two triangles, so and they are equal, therefore the surface area, it will be two triangles multiplied by half base times height, and then plus the three rectangles which are equal multiplied by the base times height. So this is the surface area of a triangular prism.